Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best 7-port USB hub with a power adapter currently available, the Atolla-powered USB Hub 3.0. If you're someone who works with multiple USB devices, this hub could be a serious game-changer. Let's explore exactly why that is. Right out of the box, the Atolla USB Hub impresses with its sleek, matte black finish and compact, desk-friendly footprint. But looks aside, it's the functionality that sets this hub apart. Designed with 7 data transfer ports and 1 smart charging port, it offers a total of 8 USB slots. That's right, you get 7 dedicated ports to connect peripherals like flash drives, keyboards, and external hard drives, and an additional smart charging port solely for powering your devices. Whether it's your phone, tablet, or Bluetooth accessories, what makes this hub truly stand out is the included 5 volts, 4A power adapter. This external power source ensures that all connected devices receive stable and consistent power, eliminating the common issues of voltage drop or device disconnects. That means even if you plug in high-powered devices like external SSDs or multiple accessories at once, everything stays powered and operational, no hiccups. Each of the 7 data ports is equipped with its own individual on-off switch, complete with LED indicators. This allows you to control the power for each device independently without having to physically unplug them. Need to temporarily disable a connected hard drive? Just tap the switch, simple and efficient. This kind of control is incredibly valuable when managing multiple devices, especially for data security and conserving energy. The USB 3.0 support ensures blazing fast data transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. That's about 10 times faster than USB 2.0, ideal for transferring large media files, backing up data, or syncing devices in real time. Whether you're a video editor moving 4K files, or just managing your photo archive, the performance here won't let you down. It's also highly compatible. The Atolla 7-port hub works seamlessly with MacBooks, iMacs, Mac Minis, Windows laptops, desktops, and even some gaming consoles. No special drivers are needed, just plug it in and you're ready to go. Now let's talk smart charging. That 8th port isn't just a bonus, it's a dedicated charging outlet that automatically detects your device and supplies optimal power. Whether you're charging a smartphone, tablet, or wireless earbuds, you get safe and efficient charging without sacrificing one of the data ports. Cable clutter is another thing this hub handles well. The included power adapter cable is long enough for flexible placement. And the USB cable connecting to your computer is also generously sized, giving you plenty of room to organize your workspace the way you want. Honestly, anyone with multiple USB devices will find value here. Whether you're a student juggling a flash drive, keyboard, and printer, or a professional working with multiple external drives and accessories, the Atolla Hub offers a reliable and efficient way to expand your setup. To sum it up, the Atolla-powered USB Hub 3.0 is a thoughtful, high-performance solution for USB expansion. With its powerful external adapter, individual port control, lightning-fast data transfer, and smart charging capabilities, it earns its spot as our top pick for the best 7-port USB hub with power adapter. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed product breakdowns. See you in the next one.